As with any stainless steel, periodic cleaning will be needed to keep your system looking its best. We recommend cleaning it immediately after installing and then as needed. Before you start, you will need to have the following on hand: Marine 31 stainless steel liquid polish, Marine 31 liquid sealant, and 4 terry cloth or microfiber towels. During installation, it's possible for trace amounts of iron or other contaminants to build up on your Viewrail system. These can rust or discolor your railing. Marine 31 stainless steel liquid polish removes oxidation and surface contaminants from your stainless steel. Shake the bottle well and apply a dime-sized amount to the terry cloth or microfiber towel. Work the polish into the surface, let it sit for 5 minutes, and then remove the residue with another clean microfiber towel. If your project is exterior, then you'll want to use the Marine 31 liquid sealant as well. Application of the sealant is identical to that of the polish. We recommend applying the polish and the sealant at least every 6 months. Keeping your stainless steel pristine is as simple as that. Check out the other videos in this series and give us a call, or check out our website for more info. We hope you love your new Viewrail system.